What's up guys, my name is Joe and in today's video I want to talk about the new iPhone 11 and 11R. Now there have been some leaks on what the iPhone 11, 11 Max and the 11R cameras will be like when they introduce it in September of 2019. Now we are due for a big redesign in 2020, but this year we will get a slighter modification to the iPhones, which will mean that the iPhone XS and XS Max's upgraded version, which is the iPhone 11, will have 3 cameras. Yes, we've had tons of leaks of this camera. We've seen it since January this year, but now it seems to be true that there will be 3 cameras in a very, very ugly manner. Now we've seen different kind of versions of this 3-camera system. One where they tint the glass in front of it, so it's like very stealth black version, or when it's like very clear and you can actually see a larger camera lens space, and it appears to be that one. It appears to be the ultra ugly version, which no one really likes. Now, there's a theory on why these cameras look the way they look, because they could have done it like the Huawei P20 or P30, nicely in a square, but they're not doing it that way. They're doing it this way in a triangle, because this way the lenses are equal length from each other. And in terms of photography and video, that makes a lot more sense, especially when you're considering that these lenses, the iPhone 11 and 11 Max, will have a normal lens, it'll have an ultra wide lens, and it'll have a telephoto lens. I'm looking forward to seeing this, how they actually can work together. The telephoto lens will have actually a larger reach, so it's not just 2 times, maybe it'll be a 4x or an 8x. We will see. Now, apart from this, the iPhone XR will get an upgrade. It'll get an additional camera, and no, it won't be a telephoto lens, it'll be the ultra wide lens. Now, there are 2 reasons. One, well, yeah, they need to put something else in there. They need a secondary lens to do probably really cool stuff that Apple will set it to us in September. But apart from that, is to differentiate it from the iPhone XR, because it will look in terms of design very similar. Now, if you're thinking of buying a phone and you're looking at the XR and the 11R, you'll immediately be able to differentiate the 2 devices, therefore meaning you have the newer device with you. Even if you're looking for a cheaper device, you're probably gonna go with the iPhone 11R because it's newer. These iPhones will also get the ability to do reverse charging, which is a new feature in the Samsung Galaxy S10, and iPhones will probably have this. Now, there's one thing to note over here, that it won't have wireless charging for your Apple Watch, because Apple Watch does not work with Qi systems. It only works with its own charging system, so you won't be able to charge your Apple Watch with your iPhone, but you will be able to charge your wireless headphones like your new AirPods 2s. So guys, this is what's gonna happen with the cameras, what's gonna happen with the upgraded versions. In my next video, I'll probably talk about iOS 13 and what you need to know about that, what kind of new things there are. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget there's an iPhone XS giveaway. Until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.